Hi everyone. So for this video we're going to be looking at how to use and apply the definite integral properties. Alright, so we're given the following integrals. So these three right here are what's given to us. And we're asked to find, let's see, 6 of them. So let's see how this goes. So for part A, if you notice the bounds here from 2 to 2, though it's exactly the same. So this is actually a zero integral. That's not actually a two-dimensional shape that we can find the area of, and so that's just 0. Part B, it's going from 6 to 1, so we don't usually go from big to small when we do these types of integrals. We kind of like to do from small to big. So really we're looking for that, but because we flipped the bounds around a little bit, we put a can't really see that negative, but we put a negative in front there. So that's a negation property. And then let's see, this is going to be negative, whatever this part is. And let's see, is that one of ours? Yes, I see it here. So it's negative 8. Alright, so part C, it says 3 times the integral from 1 to 2 of f of x. So let's see, this is going to be 3 times, and is there one already defined for us from 1 to 2? Great, negative 2. So that gives me negative 6. Part D, we're going from 2 to 6. Those are our bounds. And I don't see that up there. So if you notice, let's erase this a little bit. I see for f of x, there are 2 that they give us. It goes from 1 to 2 and 1 to 6. So here's the thing. I don't want 1 to 6, right? So if I think about it like a number line here, 1 to 6, I really just want from 2 to 6. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use subtraction. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 1 to 6 and we're going to subtract the 1 to 2 so I can get that 2 to 6 interval. So really we're doing 1 to 6 and we're going to subtract 1 to 2, and that should give us what we want. So from 1 to 6 it's 4 minus, and from 1 to 2 is negative 2, and that gives me 6. Alright, let's see, part E. So we're doing the integral from 1 to 6 of f of x minus g of x. Okay, and so by using the properties we know that this is the same as from 1 to 6 of f of x minus the integral of 1 to 6, of g of x. And then hopefully, let's see, do we have one for 1 to 6 for f of x? Yep, it's 4. And then 1 to 6 of g of x is 8. So really it's 4 minus 8, which is negative 4. Alright, and then the last one. So again, we're going to split it up. And so it's from 1 to 6, 3 f of x minus from 1 to 6, g of x. I noticed that there is this constant here, so I'm just going to pull it out to the front. Alright, and so this is going to be 3 times, now what is the integral of 1 to 6 of f of x? I feel like we did this, yep, 4. So that should be a 4. And then minus 1 to 6 g of x, which is 8. So this becomes 12 minus 8, which is 4. And there you go.